how to take this outfit and put it on this guy and get this result. Let me show you how to do this in Canva. Hi, my name is Saskia Agra from Create Design. You might have pictures that you want to change the outfit on. For instance, you see a nice dress online and you want to put it on yourself, like you want to put it on your image, or you have false images that you want to sell online, but you want to diversify them and multiply them to have more to sell to make this money online, but you don't know how to do. This is the right video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do just what I showed you there. Okay, and let's get into it. The first thing you need to do, you need to have two images. One of the images is the outfit that you want, okay, and the other image is the person you want to put the outfit on. Let me give you an example right here. Let's go up here. This is the outfit I want, okay, this outfit here, and this is the person I want to put the outfit on. In the app, it's called garment and person, okay, and after that it will generate this for you. So this person will show up with this outfit on. Let's go there. So you need to have these two images separately in your computer. It doesn't matter if they have white background, whatever. You need to have them in your computer, okay? You need to have them saved. So let's go to the app now. Let's do it really, really quick. Go to apps, okay? And then you see here apps, discover and all that. Just go to discover right here and type in model. That's how I found it. Model. And the first one, this is it. It has all kind of other things, but this is an AI virtual try-on. With the word model, I was able to find it. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to go in the app, select it. Okay. And here you will choose the file of your garment, like the outfit, like what I was telling you, like this guy, because this is the outfit that you want on your person. And here you will upload the image of the person you want to dress, okay? And then you scroll down and you will get 180, I think 180 virtual try-on credits, okay? And after that you have to subscribe uh, for membership, okay? But with 180 you can make 18 different designs. That's very, very good. If you want to, you can take images from here and images from here, but like if you have your own images and you want to diversify them, you want to multiply them, you want to make very, very unique images, it's good to have your own images. Just don't take these ones, okay? So you see on here I took, this is the garment. This image I upload on garment because this is the outfit I want to have, and this is the person I want to dress in this garment. And after that I got this as a result. You see everything here. Look at the outfit, the blings. Look at here, the American flag, the hoodie, and everything. Look at the shoes, even the shoes. You got the shoes and the jeans also, the ripped jeans and everything. He got them all. This is amazing. This is amazing. You can do a lot of it with this. Okay, let's go. Okay, here I have my blank page. Now I'm going into my computer and I'm going to look for garment that I want to put on my image, okay, on my person. Okay, let's go with this here. So I upload this image. So this is my garment. I want the outfit of this Birdman to be on my human person. I will click on choose and then I will click my human. This is the human. Okay, this is the human person. Okay, so when I click on generate, you will see what will happen. Let's go. Every time you generate an image, it will take 10 of your virtual try-on credits, 10 of your credits. Okay, so right now it's processing. Hey there, Saskia here. Your support means everything to me and my family. If you're watching my videos and you find value in them, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also leave me questions in the comment section. I will come back and read all of them, and if there's something, I'll tell you what it is. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. And let's go back to the video. Okay, here is our guy. Let's check him out. You can click on here and they will place the image here for you. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Let's go to the original. I will just remove the background from this image so that we can have a better view. So here he is. Let me go back to my things here, my uploads. Okay, let me go to my uploads here. So this is the guy. And let me check for this. Okay, and this is the bird. I'm going to remove the background for you to see it better. Okay, here, and this is the guy. Let's study this really quick. Let's study this really quick. Let's study it really quick. So we took the outfit, not his face, not his hands, the outfits, his shirt, his accessories, his pants, and also his shoes. Okay, and the AI will copy it over to your person in the app. It will copy it over to your person with everything, but the pose, like the style, the pose will stay the same. Check it out. You see it's the same face. Maybe the face changed a little bit, but it's kind of the same face. The pose is the same. Look at this leg, this shoe, and this side here. It copy it. And this is so amazing. Look at this. Look, the American flag is on here, and there's also one here, one down here. And look, he copied this here and put this here also. All this here, it's copied. I copied it twice, but it's nice. Look at the belt and everything. Let's go closer. Look at the gold necklace. Everything, it copied everything. Let me tell you something really quick. When you are like generating an outfit onto a person, the outfit will come onto the person just like the outfit is on the person. Okay, you see this here. This goes to the hand, and this is almost no, like a little bit over the elbow. That's why it went here also a little bit over the elbow. So this part here, it made it short over here. Okay, it will come out exactly as the outfit the person has on. Okay, let's go back. Let's go here. You see this, everything will come out like that. Excuse me. That's why it's come out like that. I'm gonna show you one I did. You see this outfit right here is a dress that I got from online, and I got this lady to wear this dress. I thought it would dress the lady for me like in the dress and stuff. And look what I got. Let me remove the background for you to see what I got. What did I get? I got exactly as what the lady has on. Okay, let me go to the dress. Let me bring the dress down. Come on, dress. Let me bring it down for you so you can see what we are talking about. Okay, the garment came only on the person where the person is dressed. Where is covered, the garment will come on that. Look, it came on her underwear and it came on her bra, but it didn't give it the short sleeves, because the sleeves are up to here. Okay, the sleeves are up to here, so it took only a tiny part of the dress and it put it here. Now you can see it over here, right? You see this part is also here under the bra, and the breast part is here. And because like I said, because the sleeves are short, they put a little bit of the ruffles on here. It didn't give it any sleeve, because this outfit doesn't have sleeves. You see that? So you have to pay attention to that too. If it's long sleeve, if your person has long sleeves on, the garment will come on, everything like the long sleeve will be on. But if your person has an outfit like this, maybe if she has a shorts on, she would have red shorts on here. It depends on your person's outfit. Okay, look at this, like we did. He has all the necklace. Okay, he has four. He has. These are my ideas for you. For instance, if you have a picture of yourself, a very nice picture of yourself, beautiful picture, and you want to test some clothes from online on yourself, on your picture, to see how they will look, you can copy pictures from online together with your picture and upload them in the app. Do know that the picture should be in your computer, and upload them in the app, and then you will see how certain clothes will fit on you. For instance, if you have AI images that you're selling, but you want to have unique things, unique AI images, you want to diversify them, you want to multiply them, you can use the same method to do that. Like I designed this bird mane in Canva here in the AI. Even the guy I designed in there, and then I started changing the outfits with them and stuff. And you see, so I can get this guy in any outfit I want. So go in it, play in it. Find it under the app store, the apps here. You can type in model and it will show up. AI Virtual Try-On. And then you upload your garment. Okay, you upload your garment here, the clothing that you want your person to wear, and you upload the person here, and then you generate it. Also pay attention to your credits. You will have 180 credits, 10 credits per try on. Go and do it. Go and use it. Create pictures of yourself, or create digital products that you can sell on Etsy or on your stand store, on your Shopify, or just on Facebook. It's possible. Go and make that money. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this, and let me know also if you have problems with it, so that we can look for a solution. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your patience.